We may be under lockdown, but life on the farm continues. The goats are here enjoying the sunshine, but they still have to be fed and watered. The donkeys have to have clean bedding on a daily basis. And the roosters continue to remind everyone who's boss around here. And the pigs, well, as usual, they are asleep, dreaming of a time when they can do this. They just love a good wallow in the mud. And the cows, they are still wondering where everybody is. But they still have to be looked after, fed and watered. And the usual pests are still here. Rabbits are plenty. More pests with wings. Pigeons, who just move in without asking. Down in the valley, it's a lovely spring day. And there's new life down at the brook. The drake takes to flight. The mallard hurries her ducklings away. Mother Nature is preparing things for us to eat. Beautiful blossom that will become crab apples. And here we have the hazel trees. And what do they grow? Hazelnuts. And everyone's favourite, dark and juicy in the autumn, blackberries. Bird song is everywhere. Listen first for the blackbird and then the robin. Penny Hooks continues working for autism. If you would like to help us with a donation, please go to our website. Here's the address, and thank you.